Hello class 8th student, it's a part 6 chapter 8 science in which we read that on reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity means we are reading the age of puberty, and in this age also there will be change in the mental, intellectual and the emotional level, and the all levels means mental, intellectual and the emotional level also mature. The various physical changes give rise to a variety of social and emotional change as well, means in which society you are living and the emotions, your feelings, these also affect of an individual one or a single one. They alter the needs, means they change the needs, interest and mood of human, means there will be change in the needs, their interest and the moods of humans. The various bodily changes can also make them feel anxious, confused and insecure. As the so many physical change are also come, it makes a person insecure. There is a lacking of security, there is a confusion and anxiety, curiousness also. So one may develop attraction towards the opposite sex, means we cannot say that the for all, but one may develop, it may be possible that they attract towards the opposite sex. These are normal and are part of growth in an individual life, and these all changes are normal and these are the part of growth of a individual person. Individuals also attain a certain level of intellectual maturity, means individual also attain a certain level of intellectual maturity, means intelligence be improved. The person can use its mind sharply and start analyzing, evaluating and exchanging views and ideas and start forming opinions, means a person start getting work with their minds. He thought their own, his opinions is own. He neglect to accept the other opinions. In fact, he having their own decision, own opinion, and they also trying to suggest or to give the view and ideas to other. This is the age of intellectual maturity, where a person trying to improve its intellectual health also. Okay, intellectual part also means the part which depends on the work of brain, in which we think, analyze, evaluate, our opinion can change, our thoughts and ideas all are come. It is also the time when the brain has the maximum capacity to learn, and thus adolescents must utilize this phase widely and constructively, means this is a time at which our brain has the maximum capacity to learn. As we know that lot of things are stored in our brain, but we also know this thing that the brain of child is differ from the brain of adult, and the brain of adult is differ from the brain of olders. So what is the difference here? The difference is that at the age of adulthood your brain is trying to learn maximum. You can learn maximum. Child having their own capacity to learn and the older one having their own, they fat up. But the age of this adulthood, your brain is prepare for learning more and more, or we can say the maximum throughout the life, means which is not possible in throughout your life, in the whole life, that things can possible in this age. So the adolescents or the person which going on from this age, they must utilize this phase of life wisely, means they use this brain in the creative ideas and construct the base of your life. Okay, thank you class, we continue in the next part.